What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. On the show today, we're going to talk about our upcoming camping trip. We are leaving on a camping trip and we need a couple things from the store because we're going to be doing some Dutch oven cooking. And we never done it before, so this is going to be our first time. So join us. We're going to head to the store and get us a brand new Camp Dutch oven to take on our trip. So let's go.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
Hi there. What do you got? Ice chests? Lots of ice chests. A round table. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. Stanley. Lots of ice chests. See any camping equipment? I'm looking for camping. There's some chairs. I don't know what that is. Ooh, I see camping. I see some camping. We have one of these. Camp grill. You put it over your grill. We're going to be using that. Some pots. We got some aqua tanks. Some grills. Ooh, what's that? A s'mores caddy? Sure. Batter bowls, don't need that. I don't know what that is. We got egg holders, forks, fish cookers, and we have some lodge. What's a lodge? Grill. Some lodge cast iron skillets. Oh, this is that stuff I was talking about, Boone.
Season spray?
You just spray your thing. Sometimes when you season your cast iron, it can get like,
Does it get comfy?
no, it can get lint on it from whatever you're using, and this you just spray. You don't have to wipe.
Well, it's canola oil, so it's kind of overpriced.
Ooh, look at those. Those are really seasoned. 54, we're looking for a 6 quart. I don't know what size that is. There's probably one of those babies. We want one with a lot. $54, I think this is what we want. 6 quart, that's the one we want, because the one I got was 8. Ooh, here's a little. Let's do a little shopping before we check
Shopping?
Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Propane stoves. I need a new one of that because mine's like beat up. How much? 54? Uncle E. Those are single burner stoves. We got the propane jumping off. Here's some grills. Those are camshafts, and they are the most awesomest things ever. Ever. We got 2 of them. Ours don't look like that anymore. Ours are a little beat up. Got some bubble ones. We got some kites. Badminton. A little badminton. So let's get one of these. They got a pink one. Look at the salmon color, Bill. That's sweet. You gonna golf then? I see you golf.
Of course, I got the wrong thing. I should use it. David, have any pirates around here?
Peter.
Not really.
Took a little detour. That's the Cuisinart, the Farberware, the Hamilton Beach, and the Sunbeam.
Look at this.
Farberware is $99.
Black & Decker's got a different kind of.
Double helix. Huh, that's interesting. That is interesting. Spiral design. Should we try it out, Piggy?
I don't know.
What's that? A spiralizer. For $39.
There you go, Boo.
What?
We can put the Black & Decker up against the mainstays.
What?
Is spending the extra $20 worth it?
Oh Lord, what the hell?
All right, there you
Look at that. $8. We'll see.
It's like $9.88.
Yeah, that's questionable.
I mean, who's going to
What's
compete
that
against
Hamilton Beach? What is that? That's kind of interesting. $30.
that? Chopper.
Then there's one for $9.
Oh, here it is. Prevents overprocessed mushy food. 3-cup. Food is ejected away from the blade to prevent overprocessing.
Oh, interesting.
There you go.
Ooh, canning jars. Yeah. Look at that, Bill. A generic Yeti. Ozark Trail. Wow, that's random.
Let's see.
That's not clear.
I know you don't want stuff that's too big, but that non-clear one is too
just a lid.
Unless you can put one of these bad boys on there.
Nah, it's a certain kind of lid.
Something like that gonna work for you?
Yeah, that'll work. There's the yellow lids.
Huh?
There's the yellow lids.
Well, this is actually cheaper. The yellow crap. That's when they put the lids on the jacket. These are only. Oh no. Oh. These small lids go to. Yeah. Is this gonna be too big for you? This one here, I think, stands a little taller.
That one might be a little small.
So, what do you want? Do you want to go with this then?
Yeah, the black one.
You go black one? Alright. So I go with the bumblebee design.
It'll match your truck.
Huh? That's gonna match the truck.
It's like a guy's thing.
Yeah, it's got the. So these things lock. See how that works?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that one could actually cost $11. So it could cost $4 more.
Do we have an ice chest?
Well, we have different ice chests. We're on the basement.
Okay, we're in the RV aisle. Oh, yay. So guys, this is what we got. We got a 6-quart large camp Dutch oven. The difference between this kind of Dutch oven and other kinds of Dutch ovens is it has little feet on the bottom, and we're going to cook by putting charcoal below the Dutch oven and on the lid. It's going to cook with straight charcoal. So here it is. Let's take it out of the box. Wow. Woo! Let's see, here's the lid. Wow! Wow, cool. In here, there's pretty much a cookbook in here about how to cook in this baby. So we have how to set up your coals and stuff, and we've got a lot of recipes. Awesome. So let's see what we got in here. Whoa. And here's our Dutch oven. Look at that. We have some little liners on order. They should be here tomorrow. This is completely pre-seasoned. We are going to clean it out, obviously. Maybe run some more oil in here and throw it in the oven for a little bit. It is totally pre-seasoned, though, from the factory. These are the little legs. So we're going to put coals underneath here. And then here's our lid. Holy cow, look at this sucker. This is a 12-inch, wow, cast iron. Whew, I can't even lift it. This sucker is heavy. So we also got this, and this is a lid stand. I think the Dutch oven was 54. I don't know, I think this lid stand was like 15 or something like that. And basically what it is when you take your lid off of here, it's hot. You don't want to put it just on the ground. So you want something to place your lid on and something that's capable of holding something with that much heat. So we also have here, this is a lid lifter. And This is how you get your lid off because it is very hot when it's got the coals on there. So you're gonna lift your lid. Woo! And you're gonna put it on your lid thing. Oh, that thing is heavy. Holy cow.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh man, it's hot. So your coals will be on top of here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook a few things out when we're out camping. Since I've never used one of these before, the very first thing is we're just going to do a burn off, right? We're going to fire this baby up, put the coals on here as they say, and we're just going to cook some of those Pop-'em cinnamon rolls just to see if we can get the temp right without burning the bottom off, right? So we don't have burnt bottoms on our cinnamon rolls. We're going to test that out. We're going to take you along with us. It's going to be like a beginner's Dutch oven burn off, right? So stay tuned for that. We're looking forward to going camping. Yay! Well, we're actually glamping. So join us for that. We will be doing a vlog. We're going to do some cooking videos. We're going to do this Dutch oven thing, and we're going to have a good old time. And part of our camping trip is a big campground-wide water gun fight. And we have 2 of our weapons showed up today. So we have 2 other ones. So we have 4 total. We're going to be in a golf cart. We're going to have big time weaponry, and we're going to win this water fight. Watch. So I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. I hope you have a great week. We're going to enjoy this week. We're going camping. It's like my first camping trip since this time last year. So we're looking forward to it. I hope you have a good time this weekend. If you're not in my Facebook group, join it. It's facebook.com/group/Amy Learns to Cook. I will be commenting in the group while we're out on the camping trip. So get in there if you want to hear about our trip along the way. Also, it's possible that we might try to go live. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but I'll try if I have some reception. So make sure you hit that bell so you'll get notification if we are able to go live. You can also catch us on our website, amylearnstocook.com, and we're on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram, we're at Cooking with Amy.